Let me guess. You're a busy business owner who uses a popular CRM like Salesforce to grow your business. But do you find yourself spending too much time manually copying your lead entry data from your contact forms into Salesforce? If you've got a team of people, maybe part of your workflow involves manually forwarding form entries via email to people who don't have access to your WordPress dashboard. Integrating your site's contact forms with your Salesforce account would be an ideal solution, but we all know what that can mean. Complicated custom coding, third-party connectors, not to mention investing more time and money to get this done. Luckily, the Salesforce Addon by WPForms will do the heavy lifting for you. The Salesforce Addon automatically sends your form data to your account, making it easier than ever to create new leads, contacts, campaigns, and more within Salesforce. Once inside the form builder, you can quickly add a connection from your form to your Salesforce account and specify what type of object you'd like to create from the available options so that each form submission does what you want it to do. Afterwards, you can send your forms fields to the available fields from Salesforce, making sure that your form data is sent exactly where it needs to go once a user submits a form on your site. We know that running a business is hard, but with WPForms, it doesn't have to be. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. So what are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.